Hey guys, welcome to Trucker's Kitchen. All right, I know you guys are gonna be thinking it's crazy. So Scott's driving, we're doing a lot of miles. We didn't need to stop and take a half-hour break, so I'm just cooking as we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that's like. All right guys, so I just made Scott a pork sandwich, and then I made some prosciutto wraps for myself. You can tell it looks fabulous. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. I know some of you are gonna give me a big line of crap like, why aren't you in your seat? Why don't you have your seatbelt on? But the truth is that we are real, and this is what trucking is really about sometimes. I said, do this. If you do this, comment below. Yeah, Scott's saying he doesn't recommend it, but it happens sometimes. We normally don't do this. Normally we stop and eat dinner, but hey, today we had to. All right guys, so until next time, enjoy the adventures and eat well. Bye.